On the front lines of the battlefield, there is no hesitation. At the heart of industry, there is no compromise. Factories never sleep. Missions cannot fail. In the harshest, most unpredictable environments, where others see limits, we break them. Semiconductors, automotive, energy, defense, space. In the dynamic fields that drive the world and forge the future, our physical AI is built to perceive, decide, and transform the real world. Our AI simulation mirrors reality. AI agents carry knowledge no manual ever captured. AI runs on every machine. All are woven together by the AI OS, infinitely scalable, everywhere, even in the most extreme conditions. Right now, we run the real world. We will rock your world. MakinaRocks.